Hello friends, welcome to our channel Excel Key Dunia. We hope you all are doing well and staying safe at your homes. Today we will be discussing the most used formula of Excel, that is VLOOKUP. How and when to use is the basic question beginners have. And the answer is simple: to fetch any data or entry from another data without searching manually. Points to remember: VLOOKUP can be applied only when there is something common between data. We will see this in example. VLOOKUP can be applied from left to right only.
Hope you all liked the video, and if so, please like the video and subscribe our channel for more related content.